So 55D is another one that was incorrect in the answer key part of the book online, and probably the physical textbook too, if you have that one. And so you're asked to write the electron configurations for each of these transition metals. I believe the book gave the noble gas notation, so I'll have to go through both of those, even though they didn't specify in the question to do the noble gas notation. So the first thing we need to know about iron, its location on the periodic table would be handy, but maybe more important is that iron has 26 electrons. And so as we begin to write the electron configuration, if we're following the Aufbau principle, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d, I believe it's 3d7, sorry, 3d6. So now if we're doing the noble gas notation for this, and noble gas notation is meant to be a shortcut so that you shouldn't have to write it all out ahead of time, because now then you're doing double the work. So if we look, here is the noble gas notation. Noble gases always end in P6, so that's how one way you can identify it. And so on the periodic table, if we find iron and go backwards, we find that argon will be that noble gas, and then the rest of the configuration will be 4s2, 3d6. My apologies again about the errors in the back of the book. Those are totally outside of my control. So if you find them, or what you think is an error, please let me know so that I can contact the publisher and get them to correct it.